Hello, Booster Beast here with yet another Pokemon video. Today we got the Dollar Tree packs, Forbidden Light, Forbidden Light, Forbidden Light, with a bonus of, you know it, Guardian Rising from my local LGS. These are Dollar Tree, this is LGS. Hopefully pull something amazing. Let's get into it. The Dollar Tree packs are not guaranteed rare, and if you pull the rare, it's the middle card in the pack. Just 3 cards per pack, so hopefully you get some amazing. And it almost seems like these are resealed, so I doubt we'll pull anything amazing. Esper, Finnick, Brixen, okay, no rares in that pack. Like I said, probably not going to pull anything amazing, but we'll see. We got Burmite. Ooh, we got a reverse uncommon. And then we got Hoopa. Amazing. Okay, last pack. Dollar Tree, then we'll open up the Guardian Rising. We got Scatterbug, reverse uncommon Goat. Then we got an Energy. I called it. Those Dollar Tree packs are probably repacked, but we had our chances. Okay, and the Sun and Moon. I know that for a fact it's not repacked. So let's get into it. Where is it? Jeez. Pack really doesn't want to open. There we go. Okay. We got a Vulpix, a Pacham, a Gakita, Lightwick, Fletching, reverse rare Sandslash, a Lilligant, Energy, Whimsicott, Vanillish, Aether Paradise Conserved Area, and then what you guys been waiting for, the code card. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment in the comments below what your favorite card is. Also comment in the comments below if you think these packs were scam packs, aka resealed repacks. And subscribe for more epic content. This video has been brought to you by your boy, Booster Beast, and I will see you for next week's videos. Bye-bye!